How to fix ThinkPhone 25 Bluetooth not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on connected device. Now here you can connect your Bluetooth. After pair a new device of your Bluetooth, then go back and swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off your Bluetooth, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. And here you can restart your device. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on battery. And then click on battery saver. If you turn on battery saver, then turn it off. After that, go back and scroll down and click on system. And then click on reset options. Now here you can see the option reset mobile network settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.